Now, looks good. We did everything. We're well prepared. Digon 1 Whiskey is inserted, as cleared, runway 23, as briefed, as discussed. Flight time 3 hours 50. You're pilot flying?
Yes.
But I have to do the takeoff, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Unfortunately, yes.
So we are well prepared, huh? We did already the before, we did already the cockpit preparation checklist.
Yes.
So we just need to get our clearance to start the engines. Huh? So cargo is closed. That's good.
Charlie Alpha stand 05, Skytrail 3669.
So let's ask for startup. Huh?
Yeah. Eurowings 8 Uniform Juliet at stand Alpha 7, request startup.
Eurowings 8 Uniform Juliet, hold position, expect setup in 30 seconds, traffic to park on Alpha 5.
Okay.
8 Uniform Juliet, roger, holding position.
Ground from cockpit.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, the parking brake is set. Do you need to lift us up or so?
Okay, brake set. We are using a tow bar. We just need 30 seconds. I'll call you back with the ground check.
No problem. Take your time, please. Yeah, so we changed the runway from 5 to 2-3. That's all good, huh?
Yeah.
All prepared. And our takeoff alternate is Porto Santo, 3 kilometers runway, and it would be an overweight landing,
yeah,
as discussed. Good.
Under 1 Hotel Echo, wind touchdown 200 degrees, variable 3 knots, runway 23, clear flight.
Got a 1 Hotel Echo, runway 23, ground.
Go ahead.
Down ground check completed, doors and hatches closed, the bypass pin is installed. We're using a tug and tow bar is connected, and we are fully ready for pushback.
Okay, stand by.
Standing by.
Push and start approved for
very good. Before start, checklist.
Before start, parking brake.
Is set.
Takeoff speed thrust.
125, 148, 154 and flex 40.
125, 148, 154, flex 40. Windows.
Closed.
Closed. Beacon.
Is on.
Before start.
Ground cockpit.
Yes, go ahead.
Startup and pushback is approved. Runway in use is 23. Maybe release the brake.
Copy. Runway 23 in use. May you please release parking brake?
Parking brake is now released.
Copy. Brake release. Starting pushback. Runway 23.
Yes. Runway 23. And please tell us when we can start the engines.
Yes, I'll call you back.
Thank you.
And ground to flight deck, you are now clear to start engines 2 and 1 in sequence.
Okay, we first start engine number 2 and then we start engine number 1.
Copy, clear to start.
Engine 2 start.
Condor 1 Hotel Echo via Charlie, follow the march instructions to Alpha 7.
Stand to Alpha 7 with the Masala Condor 1 Hotel Echo.
Maybe start engine 1.
Clear for number 1.
Engine 1 start, overlapping engine start.
And pushback is completed. May you please have parking brake on?
The parking brake is set.
Copy, brake set. We are disconnecting the tug and tow bar.
This is very good. Thank you very much.
Just 121 would request our back.
A321 Horseman, hold position, traffic behind.
Hold position, 121.
On cockpit.
Yes, go ahead.
You can remove the ground equipment, prepare the aircraft for taxi. Show us the clear sign with the pin. You're cleared to disconnect. Thank you very much. It looks like that we are on time. Huh?
Copy. We are disconnecting. I'll see you on the right-hand side of the pin. Have a nice flight.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you very much.
off lock is 32. This is 2 minutes delay. I think this is no delay. Huh? That's okay.
Okay, copy. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. All the best to you. Thank you.
You too. Bye-bye.
Okay. Flight control check.
Pull up. Pull down. Neutral. Pull left. Pull right. Neutral.
And radar check.
Pull left. Pull right. Neutral.
So she will be on the right side whenever
Yeah.
she's ready.
There she is. Yeah.
Very good. After start checklist. when
After start,
convenient.
anti-ice.
Off.
Here come shadows.
This is checked.
Pitch trim.
Is 20.9%.
Radar trim.
Neutral.
After start checks complete.
Request taxi.
Eurowings 18 from Zurich, line up runway 23, report ready for departure.
Eurowings 18 from Zurich, line up runway 23.
Clear left side.
Right side.
Brake. Check. So she said line up, that means we can just enter the runway.
Yes.
So runway 23 is in use, that means the arriving traffic should be inside, just 12 o'clock, huh? Somebody is arriving.
Yeah, I would say the departure clearance is confirmed. In case of
131, power back.
engine failure at the end of the runway left turn, direct Munich,
Yes, sir.
and everything's unchanged.
Yeah, as we discussed previously, takeoff alternate is Porto Santo.
Yes.
And if we have to do an immediate return for fire or smoke or something like that, we would be able to do this and land here.
Yes.
But this is just in case of an immediate need. So for every other things, we continue and use the time to fly to Porto Santo.
Absolutely correct.
So we enter the runway now.
Yep.
Here it's clear. I can't see the other direction. Can you switch? The TCAS is on. Okay, there's nobody on the TCAS right now. No, looks
Nobody.
good. No, looks good. Cabin is ready. That's good. So you don't have to add anything to the briefing.
No,
and
nothing.
no changes. We got a lot of changes.
Yeah.
They're all taken care about. So.
Yes.
Taxi check.
Taxi, flight controls.
Check.
Check flap setting.
Conf 1 plus F
Confirm plus F. Radar and predictive engine system.
is on and auto.
Engine mode selector.
Norm.
ECA memo.
Take off. No blue.
The cabin.
Ready.
Taxi check is complete.
So now we enter the bridge.
Runway 23, Digon 1.
Now we're on the bridge. So then we do the lineup checklist later on when we just do the final turn to the runway. Huh? When we did the 180-degree turn is completed. Huh?
Yes.
Copy, continue up on 85 Kilo Echo.
Easy 872 kilo, read back is correct. Information Sierra for runway 23.
Information Sierra, runway 23, thanks, Easy 876 Kilo.
Ready for departure.
Eurowings 8 Uniform Juliet, Roger, serving at midpoint 200 degrees, variable between 140 and 240 degrees, 4 knots, runway 23, cleared for takeoff, bye-bye.
Eurowings 8 Uniform Juliet, cleared for takeoff, runway 23, thank you so much, bye.
Welcome, bye-bye.
So, then I think we can call the cabin if you
Yep.
like.
Cabin crew, prepare for departure.
Line up checklist.
Line up, takeoff runway,
23 full lengths.
23 full length TCAS,
TARA.
flex 1 and 2,
Off.
line up checklist complete.
So we're clear takeoff.
Yes, affirm. I'm ready all the time.
That's good. Perfect. Takeoff. Is rolling okay for you?
Yes.
Takeoff.
Madeira Tower,
One flex body, SAS, auto thrust blue.
Process.
First 267, Madeira bom dia, cleared from Madeira to Ponta Delgada, climb via Galvos 1 Whiskey departure, flight level 100, squawk 3345.
1 knots.
Checked.
V1.
First 267, read back is correct, information is clear on H10.
Rotate. Positive climb.
Yeah.
Yep.
200 degrees,
Enough.
variable between 170 and 280 degrees, 4 knots, runway 23, clear to land.
Good afternoon, Eurowings 8 from Juliet 1000, Sonic climb 6000 feet, arm retreat on 1.
Eurowings 8 Uniform Juliet, Madeira approach from the identified. Continue climb to flight level 240, no speed restrictions.
Eurowings 8 from Juliet, climb level 240,
Thrust climb. Alt blue 24,000. Lap 0.
Speed checked. Step 0.
Are you ready for the controls?
Yes.
You have control.
I have control. Autopilot 2.
Check. I have communication.
You have communication.
Eurowings 8 Uniform Juliet, direct Thursday.
Direct Thursday, Eurowings 8 Uniform Juliet.
That's a nice direct.
Yeah.
700 miles.
That's good. Perfect. So there's
Standard.
standard is cross-check, no change by the way, from 1013 to 1013.2. Standard cross-check passing flight level 5-6 now. So this is the island with the 1500
Yeah.
feet obstacle.
yeah.
This is the highest obstacle here over the water.
Yeah.
So the lights are off.
Perfect.
What shall we do with the cabin?
I'm okay when we are switching the seatbelts to auto.
Okay,
I think we are good with that.
I agree. Seatbelts are now set to auto. Do you need some red
No,
up
I'm-
or so? So I remove it.
Can remove
Secondary
everything.
copy active. So by the way, there's a nice view to the island here to the left.
Yeah.
Weather is now much better than before. No clouds between here and the airport.
That's nice.
It's good. And there we have Porto Santo here.
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue. So you don't need any radio fixed info?
No, I'm good.
Okay, good. Okay, copied already. So fuel is good. You arrived with 5 minutes extra, but this is a very long arrival. It's all fine. So
Yeah.
it's, I look here. For Düsseldorf, it's via Bottrop. So Bottrop means almost a full transition. It's not in there, but it looks like transition a little bit. It's all good. Yeah.
I just cut it short a little bit.
Ah, it's good.
So
So
I don't do that like that.
okay, arrival time is 30, and we are
6 minutes late.
scheduled for 25. I think we'll get a few shortcuts in between,
Hopefully,
maybe
yes.
a little bit, so maybe 2-3 minutes. Then at the end to be on time.
Hopefully.
What about the altitude en route? Let's see, do we have any obstacles? First, it's only water here. Huh?
Yeah, until we are in the north of Spain here,
Yeah.
the beam Santander, or like that, all
Yeah.
the way. It's like a flat. Hereafter, it goes up to 11,000 feet MSA, more or less.
Yeah.
Then we are back over the ocean, and then everything is flat again until
Yes.
Düsseldorf.
So 11,000. Huh?
Yes.
Good. Yeah, I agree. 11,000. So we descend. Can we make it easy? Just let's descend to 11,000 once we are
First of all, yeah.
have a problem where we have to descend immediately,
Yeah.
and then we just decide where we are. So if we are somewhere where we have some, where we have the 11,000, then we stay there, or just turn right, turn left, or so. And
Yeah.
if we think we can go lower, then we go lower. So this is Porto Santo here, and you see the airport. It's almost going over the whole island. Huh? It's just from one beach to the other side. Huh? It's interesting. So 3 kilometers about. So it looks like that the diameter here is like maybe 4 kilometers or so. From one beach to the other, from one coastline to the other. It looks interesting. I only was there one time as we couldn't land in Funchal due to the weather situation. It was too windy, and so we stayed there overnight. Have you been there?
No.
No?
Never.
Never? Okay.
Never ever.
Only to Funchal. Yeah. So I get you weather from Düsseldorf as long as we are here in coverage. Good. Okay. Salos, yeah, it's nice here. And they even have some beaches here on this side. So some sandy beaches here, looks like that there's beach. Looks nice. And there's even, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4 small islands. 5 very small islands nearby. Very, very small. Tiny islands. Interesting.
Is it a nice view onto the city of Porto Santo? Yeah.
We only have been there into during the night.
Yeah.
And we left already in the dark, so we only saw the hotel, so there was no chance.
And right now the view is nice, I guess, right?
The view is perfect.
Okay, come on, I have to talk to the passengers.
Okay, then
you
I
have
control.
Eurowings 8 Uniform Juliet, contact Lisboa Control 132.255, bye-bye.
132.255, Eurowings 8 Uniform Juliet. Have a great day, bye-bye.
You too, thank you.
Thank you. Radar Eurowings 8 Uniform Juliet, we're passing level 183, climbing level 240 in Bonbassi.
Wings 8 Uniform Juliet, Lisboa, Bondi identified. Continue climb to flight level 340, confirm final level requested.
Big climb level 340 and the final requested is 340, Eurowings 8 Uniform Juliet.
Roger. Under 5 Alpha Delta, proceed direct feeling.
Direct feeling, Condor 5 Alpha Delta.
Good afternoon, Ryanair 6 Juliet Papa, flight level 3602, Bimbo. Ryanair 6 Juliet Papa, Lisboa, Bondi identified. After Bimbo, proceed to repel. After Bimbo to repel, Ryanair 6 Juliet Papa, Bondi.
Lisboa, Bondi, channel 51, Foxtrot Golf, flight level 360, approaching Navix, request flight level 370.
Channel 51, Foxtrot Golf, Lisboa, Bondi identified. Standby for higher, break after Navix, Ortiz.
After Navix, sorted, thank you, channel 51, Foxtrot Golf.
Channel 51, Foxtrot Golf, we set to walk 3341.
3341, channel 51, Foxtrot Golf.
Auf Düsseldorf bei Ihnen melden und in der Zwischenzeit lehnen sich zurück. Wir genießen den Service meiner sehr charmanten Kabinenkollegen am heutigen Tag. Und dann sage ich mal bis später. Vielen Dank fürs Zuhören.
Ladies
and gentlemen, dear children, also good day from us from the flight deck. My name is Saturday flying towards.
Okay, that's copied. Thank you.
Already talked to you this early because on the left hand side the passengers right now had a pretty nice view onto Porto Santo. And yeah, right now we are climbing through 20,000 feet, that's 6,500 meters, and we'll reach our cruising altitude of 34,000 feet in approximately 12 to 15 minutes. That's 10,500 meters. Later on we will cruise with 820 kilometers towards Düsseldorf. And it's calculated that we arrive at Düsseldorf at approximately 4:30 p.m. local time, so we are almost on time. Now our route brings us right now just straight to Lisboa, so in approximately 1 hour we will reach the Portuguese coast. Thereafter make the left turn towards north of Spain, towards the city of Santander, then over the Gulf of Biscaya towards Mons, then we make a right turn towards Paris, and from this point on directly to Düsseldorf. Yeah, shortly prior our descent into Düsseldorf, I will get back to you with the latest weather information. In the meantime, please lay back, enjoy the flight with us. Also get treated very well by my very charming cabin crew this day. And later on, as I said, I will get back to you with the latest weather information. Thanks for listening.
Yeah, very good.
So,
yeah, we are climbing flight level 340, which is, by the way, the optimum is 330, cruise is 340, and recommended max 359. So recommended max is just went down by from 360 to 359 due to temperature change in the outside air temperature. So I think this makes sense for the time being.
That's a perfect choice
As we
by you.
discussed before.
Good job, Captain.
No, we discussed before that we want to go to 340.
Yeah.
But the optimum is 330 for the time being, recommended max 360. So I suggest that we do the climb later on to 360 when it's available or when it's possible. And then we are fine here. And that's almost it. So everything's still nice. I checked the radar picture, so looks good for the time being. There's some clouds, some convective activity in front, but it looks like that we will stay clear somehow. So that the center is left of us or below. So one of those two possibilities.
Yeah.
Okay. You have control?
I have control, thank you.
You're welcome, anytime. So then I will continue just calculating the numbers. Okay. 1132 1141.
And tomorrow you are off?
Yes.
For today?
Yes.
Okay.
69, 24.
Lisboa, bom dia, Chinese 9 Hotel November, approaching Navix level 370.
Next 9 Hotel November, Lisboa, bom dia identified after Navix Ortiz, break, reset squawk 3376.
Navix and Ortiz.
Cancellation of NOTAM for runway 18 in Madrid.
Okay.
Connect 51 Fox
18
Golf,
left.
enable
Good.
higher now due to traffic. I'll call you back if there is any improvement.
Just double check.
51 Fox.
So, yeah, it says we arrived in the MCU at 1532. My calculation says 1534, but you did a modification of the approach, so that makes completely sense to me. Then we have the same result, that's all fine. And so we expect maybe another little shortcut in the French area or so. Hopefully, but there's not
that much
so
of a
much
shortcut.
possible, but a little bit maybe. Let's see, yeah, very little. We can, like here, we can
Yeah, from
here,
Ranux direct Nervenich.
Ranux direct Nervenich or something like that. Just stay safe a minute or two, and so we're almost on time. Yeah.
So maybe that shortcut, I think that's pretty common to get the Nervenich direct from Ranux.
Let me see, you entered, yeah, that's the probable.
Yeah, after Big Boy, hopefully Delta Lima 407, 408.
Yeah, so we expect radar vectors.
Yeah.
It's like approach via Barman, no? Like
Yes, exactly.
455,
Yeah.
Big Move Barman, and then 455.
Yes,
yeah.
exactly.
Good, yeah, perfect. Yeah. So looks good to me, and we can do coming close to the first fuel check. Let's see. Right now we are 2 minutes behind.
Because of a different runway.
Yes. But we have 700 kilograms of extra fuel.
That's very nice.
In addition to alternate and holding, so this is really nice. That's good, as expected. So this is our extra fuel which we took, plus the contingency.
Perfect.
That's good. All fine. Good. So top of climb will be soon at 12:07. So another 8 minutes or 7.5. So systems are working well. So checking all as expected.
So which of your special airport flights are departing on a weekend? Samos?
Samos is not flown in winter, so
Okay.
it's only flown in summer. Funchal is departing on the weekends.
Okay. On both days, Sunday and Saturday, or?
From Düsseldorf, I think Saturday, but I'm not sure about Sunday. But sometimes they're on the weekend. Yeah, I think
Okay.
Cologne it's also Saturday, something like that. And there are a few flights to Funchal over the whole week.
Okay.
And Samos, I think, is also Saturdays. And Salzburg is, I think, almost every day. But I think right now, most of the Salzburg flights are flown by our colleagues from Eurowings Limited,
Yes.
which are based or who are based at the Salzburg Airport. And
Yeah.
they depart from Salzburg to Düsseldorf and then
They're
back.
starting for their 5 days in the hotel here.
Something like that,
Yeah.
yeah. So, but they are flying from their home base in Salzburg to Düsseldorf. And but last Monday, I did a flight to Salzburg from Düsseldorf. It even was an auto land.
Oh.
Yeah, it was foggy. And then you need to be very careful about the weights. Because
yeah, I know it. Yeah.
it was an Airbus 319.
Briefing 93 Echo contact Canary
And
126.5.
then even we could do the auto land with Cat 3 auto land with configuration 3. But configuration full would not have worked with our weight.
Interesting.
Yeah, due to the performance. So you have a better core on performance with flap 3. And because it's that was better.
7 Papa Hotel Lisboa.
But it was interesting.
Sir.
So but it was just a low cloud base.
70 at Mach decimal
It was not like
36
underneath the cloud base it was okay. The visibility was okay. But we had to come down. I think I would say it was okay at the end. It would have worked out as a Cat 1 approach. The other day then there was an approach to Prague, which we did. And there we just, I think we came out of we saw the approach like in 100 feet or so. There was nothing, no Cat 1 approach possible on that day, not in the morning. But I didn't do any video because the weather situation was for the whole flight was ugly. There was nothing to see at all, only clouds, and it looks to me that we are clear of the clouds, maybe. Yeah? What do you think?
Yeah, good.
I mean, it's fine.
So another 3,000.
Easy 876
And
kilo.
the
Timing level 240.
center is even a little bit to the left.
Kilo Lisboa, Bondi identified. You climb to flight level
So it looks fine to me.
Confirm final level requested. Climb flight level 340, and that's fine. Cruise easy 876 kilo.
That's good.
Easy 876 kilo, roger.
Very nice. Yeah, so in Düsseldorf we expect 10 degrees. This is not that cold. It's okay.
It's okay.
And 340 with 8. This is okay too. Few clouds, 17 broken to 3 overcast, 30. It's for Düsseldorf. I would say it's okay.
It's okay.
It could be better, but usually not in Düsseldorf.
Yeah.
So there's 3,100 above us. So he's in 350.
Yes.
So we are in 340. Let's see. Yeah, now we have a little bump here once in a while due to the cloud, I think. Huh?
I guess, yeah. But it's not that bad.
No. But the 321 usually has some more, to get a little more bumpy in the back. Huh?
Yeah.
In front is usually much better than in the back. Like on a ship, you have some positions which are really easy, even at if you have high waves or so, or winds, and others are not that nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess 2 flight attendants in the back, they will call us if it's too.
It may happen that they call in a few minutes, a few moments.
But they're very experienced, I guess, that they can like absorb a lot of bumps.
Or we can ask him if he wants to have the seatbelt signs.
Right now they are just preparing everything in the galley.
Yeah. So this is Lima Papa Charlie, huh? $1,000.
Condor 5 Alpha Delta request descent. Condor 5 Alpha Delta descent to flight level 250. Setting number 250, Condor 5 Alpha Delta.
Yeah, LPPC notified. Ja.
Connects 23 Charlie Delta, contact Canarias 126.5, release for control. Bye bye.
126.5, release, thanks, Connect 23 Charlie Delta, bye.
Slowly getting there.
Yes. So I would love to fly with a Neo. This had as much better performance.
Yeah.
But
it is what it is.
Yeah, but our colleagues took the Neo from Cologne to Funchal today. Yeah. So no Neo available
They
for
need
the
now the Neos in Cologne for Jeddah and Dubai.
for Jeddah and Dubai for the longer flights. Yeah. So looks like we are still good with clouds.
7 kilo.
Yeah.
And speed is managed.
Yeah, check. So the clouds are still looking good here. Looks like that we don't need to do any avoidance maneuvers to the right or to the left or so.
I think we're good.
We're good here, yeah. Yeah, so we had a nice turnaround. It took a little longer than expected.
Yeah.
But we were on time at the end. So it took longer than expected because there were so many airplanes, especially from Eurowings.
Way too much aircraft.
And there were coming A321s, and yeah, and so they're somehow limited in their operations capacity on the ground, because if everybody's coming at the same time, it's not that easy.
But I like that Eurowings is, or Eurowings has the slots in the morning, because I think the weather there is a little bit better than in the afternoon.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you can see if you go to the Madeira Airport spotting the web side or so, you usually see the not that nice approaches in the afternoon, yeah. And I think during the morning they even don't tape the approaches because it's not that interesting.
Yeah.
So the go runs are usually happening in the afternoon when there's more activity. Yeah. So